Imagine waking up, and everything feels off. You lift your hand, but it takes seconds just to reach your face. People around you move at normal speed, but to you it's like watching a movie on fast forward. You're not dreaming, you're trapped in slow motion. But what would that actually feel like? Could you still live a normal life? Or would the world leave you behind? Let's explore what it would really mean if you could only move in slow motion. Let's define what we mean. Suppose your brain, your muscles, everything starts operating 10 times slower than the average human. To others, you appear to move like molasses. But to you, things seem normal? Kind of. Your perception of time slows down. A second feels like 10. A minute stretches into eternity. Sounds around you are a blur, like fast-forwarded speech, sped-up music, and footsteps racing past you like a herd of galloping horses. From your perspective, the world becomes hyperactive. From everyone else's, you're the one lagging behind. Let's say someone asks, "Are you okay?" By the time your lips begin to shape the word yes, they're already calling an ambulance. In slow motion, even blinking becomes a sentence. Normal conversation? Impossible. You'd have to record your answers, speed them up digitally, and play them back just to be understood. Reading lips won't help either. The world's in fast forward, and your brain can't process that quickly. It's like being stuck with a laggy internet connection, forever. So how do you eat? Well, very carefully. Chewing a sandwich takes 20 minutes. By then, the bread's soggy and your coffee's cold. Fast food? Not for you. You need slow food. Like, very slow. Walking becomes a heroic act. Crossing the street? It takes 10 minutes. Cars don't wait that long. Even brushing your teeth turns into an Olympic event of patience. Without help, basic survival becomes a challenge. You'd need caretakers, technology, maybe even predictive AI assistants that act in real time while you lag 10 times behind. But is it even possible to move this slow? Sort of. Neurological disorders like akinetic mutism or severe bradykinesia, seen in Parkinson's disease, can make people move and respond incredibly slowly. But we're talking about something deeper, a complete slowdown of brain function, motor neurons, and metabolism. To truly live in slow motion, your cells would need to process everything slower. ATP energy transfer? Slowed. Nerve signals? Delayed. Even your heartbeat, thudding once every few seconds. Your body becomes a living time lapse. From everyone else's point of view, believe it or not, being stuck in slow motion has a few weird advantages. Reaction time? Useless. But your brain might perceive time more deeply, like how a fly sees the world in high frame rates, giving it faster reflexes. In your slowed down reality, you could study motion in incredible detail. You'd see raindrops form, birds blink, people flinch, all in exquisite, frame-by-frame clarity. You'd become a living scientific instrument, able to observe and notice things no one else can. The hardest part? Social life. Your friends grow up, live entire lives, while you're still halfway through a conversation from last year. Technology outpaces you. Governments change. The world evolves faster than you can keep up. You become a relic, a myth, the slow one. Maybe people study you. Maybe they ignore you. Either way, time keeps ticking. For you, every hour is a marathon. Every day, a lifetime. Eventually, it's not just a physical condition. It's an emotional exile. A life where loneliness is measured in decades. Here's the twist. What if everyone slowed down equally? From your perspective, nothing would feel different. Time would pass normally, conversations would make sense, and you'd never notice the change. But to the universe, Earth just hit the brakes. Plants grow slower. Seasons last longer. Our planet's signals, radio, light, heat now crawl through space. Aliens watching us? They think we've paused. Maybe we've gone extinct. In this version, life becomes more introspective, more patient, less chaos, more calm. The ultimate cure for hustle culture. So what if you could only move in slow motion? It might sound peaceful at first, like life in permanent slow-mo, savoring every second. But in reality, it's isolating, exhausting, and impossibly frustrating. Unless the whole world joined you, you'd be a spectator in a race you could never win. But maybe, just maybe, you'd find new meaning in every single moment. Because when everything slows down, even the smallest thing, like a smile, a leaf falling, or a breeze, becomes a universe of wonder. Love exploring the impossible with us? Then hit that subscribe button and join us at The What Sketch, where we turn science into stories and ideas into animation. Because reality is just the starting point,